What's up, guys? So, you guys didn't hit, or I didn't really say like, but you guys didn't comment if you wanted to. I just really wanted to play Subway Surfer and see what I can get, like, the highest. Because, when I was showing you what's on my phone, the last video, I said, if you guys told me in the comments that you wanted to do this, I would. And I just wanted to do it so bad that I just did it anyways. So, let's play. It usually starts up like pretty slow. When you start getting into it, it gets faster. Hold on. Here, let's get this P. Jump over this. Get these coins. I usually always go for the coins. I don't know why. And if there's both ways. And these I always don't. I don't even go to the other aisle. I always stay in the middle to get the coins. I know it's dangerous, but like, I do it anyway because I need the coins. Okay, let's get this I. And, oh, sorry guys, I don't have a face cam. I'll be getting that like probably for my birthday, something like that, because I'm saving up for one, and I can hook it up to my computer. Okay, so let's get the C up here. Oh crap! Oh dang it! I'm gonna use a key because I had 7. Okay, let's keep going. Let's use this jetpack. I haven't used the jetpack in a long time. Okay, let's get these coins. These are all in a straight line. That's weird. Let's get this times 2 coins. Jump over this, onto this. Okay, get over here. Oh, let's get on this rocket thingy. No, I don't like jumping because it can kill you, which is really annoying. I don't like it. Or the super jumping boots, whatever they're called, or whatever you want to call it. I don't like those because they can like easily kill you if you like jump over something and you don't know what's over there. Then, oh crap, well, yeah, I'm not going to use the keys. So, I don't think I beat my high score, but, at least I got a mystery box somehow. I don't remember how I got the mystery box. No, I'm not going to double it. Yeah, I didn't beat my high score. Yeah. What's this? Hold on. Alright, let's play again. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, I might not talk a lot because I just might be just playing this, so I'm probably not going to talk for the rest of the video like a lot. So, just warning you. Crap, I got knocked out. Dang, I just sound like freaking parkour. Okay, times 2. Okay, let's get over here. Get these coins. Let's go on this one. I decided to go right. Let's get these. Oh, too early. I'm gonna use a key because it was just me. Oh, I almost ran into it. I was checking my stats. Ooh, mystery box. I think I could have gone to that ramp. Let's get this coin. Okay. Oh wait. Oh dang it! I thought I was about to die. Let's go here. Crap. Dang it. Okay, let's get the times 2. Jump over the sea. It's like now it really starts to run fast. That's where it gets a little harder. And there's gonna be more trains, more of the things that you have to go under, like this thing. Like yeah. So there's gonna be more trains, more. You have to jump more. You gotta move faster, things like that. So let's do this. Okay, let's get this magnet. Ooh, that was close. Okay. Okay, no! Oh, I was stuck. Okay, so I think I did pretty good on that. So at least I got an anniversary box. Okay. So, yeah. Let's do it 2 more times. I'll die 2 more times. Now it seems like I'm going slow compared to where I was going. Or maybe 1 more time after this one. So, yeah. Okay. Down. Yeah, I don't like to get that because they can kill you. It's really annoying. Wait, let's get the all. Okay. I might start doing shout outs at the end of videos. To my friends at school, things like that. So stick to the end because I might do some. I'm not sure if I should do them yet, but I think I might. Okay. I think I'm doing pretty good on this round. Ooh, I just started going faster. Dang, I just missed 2 upgrade thingies. I missed the coin. Oh, dang it. I'm not going to use a key this time. Because I think this video is already pretty long. Okay. Okay, come on. This is my last attempt. And then I'm going to stop the video. And put in the comments if you want me to make a video like this, but not me talking, just me put music over it and just watch me playing. Because I might do that also. I might even just get rid of, on this video, me talking and just put music. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Okay. These coins. Oh, that was close. Okay. Get these coins. Ooh, that was close. Okay, let's go this way, but there's probably gonna be a train. Yeah. Let's go here. Jump. These gotta be careful, cause if you jump too early, then you're not gonna. Ooh, that was tight. Ooh, that was a really tight spot. It was hard to move. You had to move really fast. Ooh, this is a tight space too. Ooh. Okay, this way. Oh, I was in the right spot. What was I doing? Okay, we're out of that mess. Now I have the magnet, so I don't have to go in the middle of the alley. Okay. No, I missed the token. Okay. Yeah, let's get this jetpack. Okay. Oh, sorry, you guys, I wasn't really talking in that little area, but it's kind of concentrating on the game. Okay, I'm not going to get that because I don't like that. Ooh. Ooh, that was a tight spot. I might actually beat my high score this round. I might have. Ooh, I had to jump right when I got on the thing. Now I'm getting more common tight spots. Oh, dang it! I'm gonna use one of my keys. So I'm doing pretty well. Ooh. I'm going really fast. I'm gonna use them. I'm doing really good. Oh, crap. I'm going really fast. Yeah. Let's go over here. Jump this. Jump this. Jump. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I can't use it. Okay. I might have beat my high score. Let's wait for this to load. Please say I did. Please, 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 please. I didn't beat my high score? Wait, did I? I'm confused. What is this? I don't know. Okay. So, I'm going to start doing, I'll say three shout outs at the end of videos. So, first shout out is my friend from school. Her YouTube channel is Unknown Waves. Actually, I'm just going to do one at the end of every video. So, yeah, Unknown Waves is the one shout out I'm going to give every video. Or not the same one, but you know what I mean. Okay, bye guys.